Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Park your Fiat 500 on level ground and engage the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and sparks. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly behind the front bumper. Remove the small plastic cover using a plastic trim tool and a 10 mm socket. Keep screws and clips organized in a container so you do not lose them. Plan on about 30 minutes for the full procedure, and have a 12V55 double. Unclip the wiring harness carefully by pressing the retaining tab and pulling straight back. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull the old bulb out of its socket. If the bulb is a dust cap style, peel it back gently to expose the bulb. Loosen the 3 retaining screws around the headlight assembly using the 10 mm socket. Support the assembly and lift it free from its mounting points to fully access the back of the headlight. Handle the new bulb by the plastic base only and avoid touching the glass. Insert the bulb into the socket and rotate clockwise until it locks in place. Reattach any dust caps and clip the wiring harness back on until it clicks. Refit the headlight assembly and tighten the 3 retaining screws to approximately 5 Nm using a torque wrench. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the headlight at about 3 meters distance to check aim and beam pattern.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.